Alright guys, how you all doing? So today is a very special video for me, for the company, for you guys, all watching around the world. This is the first official video of the PPF serum, obviously PPF, matte PPF, satin PPF, all manner of wraps. This is the dedicated coating for this. But before we go directly into the application there, I just want to tell you a few of the hard truths that people don't talk about when we talk about PPF and coatings. Now, PPF, it's quite obvious to me, it might be quite obvious to you watching, but to some people clearly it's not. So PPF is a completely different substrate to clear coat. Now, from here, you can't tell if the car is PPF'd or if it's just normal paint. If you get close enough, you'll begin to see, but still people usually think that just a typical glass coating, let's call it, or quartz coating, anything in that realm, it'll do kind of attitude, let's coat the whole thing and you're done. Now, PPF, it heats differently, it cools differently, it breathes completely differently, it lays differently. Now, if you put a normal coating, just a run-of-the-mill coating on top of that, this is what happens. It'll begin to crack, it'll begin to fade, and it actually suffocates the PPF itself because it's not breathable. So that is the problem that you see when a lot of detailers out there, or even home users, will put on a bog standard, just run-of-the-mill coating all over the car, and then all of a sudden people start wondering why there is durability problems, look problems as well, believe it or not, and a host of other things. So traditional coatings are built like armor. They will go on top a little bit like this, if I can get it right, and they will suffocate the film. Now, what I mean by film, it could be paint protection film, it could be vinyl wrap film, anything like that. Now, this is where it's completely different. You have heard me talk about this for thousands of hours before, giving you hints, and also during the launch. Now, the most important thing, this is flexible. You want the coating to do this with the surface that it's sat on. Second of all, it's breathable. It will not affect any gloss. It won't kind of dull it or give you any kind of hazing. Now, to give you an example, I would say I'm quite good with analogies, right? If you take, say, a plank of wood, yeah, and you put it under some sort of pressure, whether you give it pressure this way, give it pressure this way, what happens? It will snap. Well, first of all, it'll crack and it'll snap. That is your ceramic coat, and that is what exactly it's doing on PPF. Now, if you take a big, long rubber tube and you squeeze it, it'll go like this. If you then release the pressure, it'll go like that again, right? This is this. So this is a coating that absolutely loves PPF. Let's go and show you how easy this is to apply, whether you're a professional or you're just a home user with a car that's got some element of film on it. So now I'm going to walk you through exactly everything that you will need for the application of PPF serum. So the most obvious one, you need good lighting. You also need a controlled environment like this. As long as you can keep the car in for a minimum of overnight, let's say 12 hours, you are perfect. Now, everything actually comes within the box. You've got your applicators in there, you've got your drippers, etc. Okay, so everything's already in the box. And the most important thing, our go-to towel. This is our official towel for the coating removal stage. This is our paint towel. You now know why this was launched. Now, this is just the right GSM, just the right consistency. So it's not plush enough to cause you a problem, but it's not thin enough to actually do nothing and over-absorb a product to where you're almost reapplying it because it soaks through. So that's going to be our go-to, and I'm also going to split the hood in half, and I'm actually going to throw you a bit of a curveball. So you see this? This is our secondary official applicator for the serum kind of stages. Now, when we first dropped it, people were saying, why have you dropped a panel wipe and two different applicators? Again, you know me, I love my Easter eggs, I love to tease people, now you know why. So within the box itself, you're going to obviously get a finger applicator, which by the way is beautiful. This is actually 3 paint towels that you've just seen wrapped over each other, so just perfect. It's perfect to apply with, it's perfect to remove with, it's absolute a thing of beauty. So you know my Easter eggs, I love them. So I'm going to do it one with everything you get in the box. And then 2, I think if you're a person who does, let's say this for a living, or you do more than 1 coating a year, you may want to have a look at this, or you may just want to buy one and see which one you like better. Only because this specifically is our final wipe towel. Again, see, I'm reusing our towel technology into the applicators. So it's our final wipe towel, and it's wrapped around the softest open cell foam in the world. So basically the way this absorbs and byproduct spreads, unbelievable. So try this, it's just a tip. Now obviously once you install your dripper into the PPF Serum, just again, always give it a good shake. Now PPF is a very strange material if you've never worked with it. If it's your first time with a PPF wrap, or if it's your first time with any sort of film, they are so much more porous. So as a byproduct of that, at the development stage, we made this thicker, it flashes slower, and it spreads even easier. So imagine spreading the most virgin of olive oils, right? So the first application, don't be shy to go just a little bit thicker, because right now, as you've seen from a previous video, this car has been polished. Obviously you should be doing this on fresh PPF, but obviously a byproduct, you need to have the PPF clean, decontaminated, panel wiped, etc. So my previous video, you saw what I was doing. Now I'm going to show you, I've popped the bonnet, I'm going to split this directly in half. Now as I'm doing this, I'm going to give you another spec. This is the only serum within our range that can be topped with its own product. The reason we've done that is because PPF is so porous that the first application is literally pretty much your primer. So out of your first application, what I'm doing now, you're going to easily get 12 months. If you wait anywhere between 45 minutes to an hour, depending on the humidity, heat levels, etc., you can apply a secondary coat, and that secondary coat is going to push you to 2 years, which is nice. So now, just to prove a point, let's wait. So we're still here, and as we're waiting for it to flash, you could see that on the camera, right? It's a perfect 50-50. I'm gonna just explain it to you. You could still see in real time what's happening. Now the film is absorbing this. Do not be shy with PPF. PPF is extremely thirsty. So the first one is like a sponge. It's gonna suck it up, right? So you've seen how long I've been waiting, and it's still totally safe. So again, minimum a 2 towel method. Now if you're a detail shop right now, you're probably rolling your eyes going, man, I do this for a living, twice a day, every day, for breakfast, lunch and dinner. That's fine. If you've seen the application, I mean, you could kind of skip through this. But if you've never coated film, this is very important. So see, it's easily been about 3 minutes now. My conditions are pretty much perfect. Humidity, bang on. Heat, bang on. So as I was saying, 2 towels. The first thing you'll see is that PPF Serum is ridiculously, stupidly easy to apply and remove. So watch this, right? I mean, the first towel's pretty much done the job for me anyway, but this is what's officially called in the world a leveling towel. The reason I'm laughing, this is silly. This is just really silly. So towel number 1's done, right? Now towel number 2, honestly, is going to be the chef's kiss. Watch this. And all you're doing basically, if you've got a dark color car like this, it's obviously easier to see. If you've got a lighter color car, you can have like a spotlight, etc. And you just wipe it. Now the difference is, look at that, my same pressure, and this is instant, by the way, right? Let me try and do this. Right, let me lay it. So obviously you could see how slick this is, right? Look, right? I'm going to go into an area, and you can tell on camera exactly where I haven't coated it. Hold on, get past the thing. Look at that. Ready? Done. That's it, game over. And you know where it is. It's like, that feels like super glue right now. So your secondary towel, literally remove it. Imagine you're removing spray wax. It's so, so easy. Look at that. Goodness me. Now in the process, this is right now, again, people don't believe the word serum, right? They say, Nick, you're using a play on words. No. Look at the chemistry first in detail before you quote something like that. Ceramic coatings, yes, apparently all of them absorb. Technically, water's a serum as well, right? If that's the case. Everything absorbs, technically, and everything has a filling capability. I'm talking about how it actually genuinely penetrates. And now, just to show you this, of course, I mean, look, I will never not be proud of this. Nuts, right? Just to show you a side-by-side comparison, right? You can actually go like this. You can even butterfly it if you wish, because now it allows you to do it. Now this is the perfect absorption level. Now some people, again, it's a preference thing. Before somebody asks me, well, which one do you prefer better, or which one's going to get you the best results? Neither's going to get you a better result than the other. It's more of a preference point. Some cars will have a different contour line, and obviously with this, look, you can squeeze it, right, into kind of tighter areas under the door handles. So I'm just showing you just the 50-50. Now, as I was talking about the serum, there's been certain people, and yes, I truly realize why they're saying that and who they're truly affiliated with, which is fine. That's cool with me. But just to put it into perspective, it's like saying, well, why don't you just wash your face with water rather than using a face serum? Because technically your skin also absorbs everything that touches it, which is correct and incorrect all at the same time. So as I'm talking live with you with this, right, you will instantly feel slickness. Now this is nothing on what's going to happen now within the next 2, 4, 6, 8, 12, 16, 24 hours. You know, as soon as it starts to cure and the solvents actually truly have the chance to begin gassing off, you will see a different level. Now what I did last week on this car, on the rear wing, which you're about to see, I applied 2 times coats of PPF serum on the wing. And I'm about to take the camera and I'm going to show you exactly what you're messing with here. Now I felt it this morning, and the slickness level is completely crazy. So look, you just level it, almost force more into the clear coat, boom. Then you take your secondary towel as usual and just remove it. Now I'm hoping the camera is still seeing it. I'll bring you in a bit closer. It's so hard because it's so glossy, but there should be a little bit of a haze now. And literally there's just no work to it. I mean, you can go in circles if you're an old school kind of guy, want to do it like this. You could do it in straight lines like this. Answer is exactly the same. Now the quick question is, what happens if you get a high spot? If you're within the first, I'd say 1, maybe 2 hours tops, just reactivate the high spot if it was here with a little bit more product and you'd be good. Now if you do catch it late, what I would recommend is just a quick light polish. It'll take you literally 2 minutes and you'll be done. And so I chose the flattest panel for you all just to show you. I mean, now again, yes, you can't feel slickness through the screen, but yes, it's world class, game over for everything else. Okay, but the thing that repels, this is the most important. I'm going to zoom in on this, right? This is a week of normal curing, obviously no washing. You're going to see, I mean, this, when you're talking about contact angles, oh, As they say, mamma mia. And there you have it, guys, right in front of your eyes. You have seen just how easy this is to apply. Now, realistically, and I kid you not, you're probably going to have more problems and more issues applying probably a strong spray sealant or a paste wax than you are going to do with this. Now I'm going to wait exactly 1 hour and I'm going to apply a secondary coat. Now, if you thought or saw that the first layer was super easy to apply, the secondary layer is literally probably about 15 times easier to apply because the PPF now is not as grabby. It's already got the base layer. So the second layer is literally wipe on, wipe off, and just walk away. If you're not sure, leave this in the state that it's in for at least overnight. So if you leave now, 5 p.m., minimum, again, you probably won't be picking it up at 5 a.m. But the very next day when you come in, minimum 12 hours. Beautiful to drive away into the rain. Technically it's 4, but if you can, why not keep it inside, right? You're not going to be picking this car up 9, 10 p.m. tonight, are you? And then obviously do not wash. The rating is slightly lower, but I have learned a lesson with my American friends. They're like, Nick, the industry has had a certain set standard, so keep it to that standard, especially as a precaution. So 7 days. It's slightly lower than that, but do not wash the car for 7 days. Again, if you can leave it for longer than you can, why not? Don't wash it for 7 days with any detergents. And then you've seen the hydrophobics. So imagine that level of hydrophobics. Now that is not only doing that to water, it's doing that to dirt, bird droppings, contaminants, fallout, a million other things that are going to clearly hit your car as you're driving down the road. And the first time you wash this, you are going to have an experience like no other. Literally everything falls off. Your car wash, your car foam, your wash pad, your towels. It's absolutely crazy. If you go back through some of our videos, obviously nobody knew what we were developing at the time. You've seen, especially the close-ups, of citrus being beaded up at the pre-wash stage on a dirty car. Very special. So I hope you've enjoyed this. If you're a first-time user, let me know. Are you going to coat your PPF? Are you going to polish it to try this on? If you're a detail shop owner, if you've already tried it, I know there's a lot of people who've already tried it. Let me know how you're getting on. How's the wraps looking? How's the PPF looking? I'm curious. Hit me with absolutely everything in the comments. And apart from that, I will see you all on the very next video, to where we will be talking about, of course, the main shamoolies, as I call them, the paint serums 2, 4, and 6. I'll catch you guys very soon.